Shocking news. UK publisher appeals against privacy ruling in Meghan copyright case. Duchess of Sussex Meghan Markle successfully sued Associated Newspapers Limited, which publishes the Daily Mail, Mail Online and Mail on Sunday, for publishing parts of a letter she wrote to her estranged father Thomas Markle. A UK newspaper group began a legal challenge on Tuesday over a ruling that it breached the Duchess of Sussex's privacy by publishing parts of a letter she wrote to her estranged father. A judge at the High Court in February said the handwritten letter was personal and private and publication was manifestly excessive and hence unlawful and ordered it to print a front-page statement acknowledging her victory. But at the start of the case before 3 appeal court judges Tuesday, lawyers for the publishers submitted the letter was written knowing that it may be made public. We read the judgment as implicitly accepting that the letter was crafted as an intimate communication for her father's eyes only, said lawyer Andrew Caldecott. But he said that was false based on new evidence. The letter was crafted specifically with the potential of public consumption in mind because the claimant appreciated Mr. Markle might disclose it to the media, he added. The lawyer pointed to an interview which 5 of her friends gave to the US magazine People, which her father considered to be a serious attack on him. Meghan made no effort to correct it, he added. At the original hearing, Associated argued its articles were intended to correct inaccuracies in the People interview. Caldecott said Meghan's father had a right to reply and that she had no reasonable expectation of privacy of the text of the letter, as it had already been widely reported. The case, which is due to last up to 3 days with judgment given at a later date, is the latest in the former television actress's long-running battle with Associated. The newspaper group has not yet published the front-page statement acknowledging her privacy win because of the appeal. As well as the privacy claim, the former television actress successfully sued for breach of copyright and data protection infringement. It asked him to stop talking to tabloid newspapers and making false claims about her in interviews. After 2 long years of pursuing litigation, I am grateful to the courts for holding Associated Newspapers and the Mail on Sunday to account for their illegal and dehumanizing practices, Meghan said in a statement. She said the tactics of the paper and its sister publications had gone for too long without consequence. For these outlets, it's a game. For me and so many others, it's real life, real relationships, and very real sadness. The damage they have done and continue to do runs deep, she said. Meghan wrote the 5-page letter to Markle after their relationship collapsed in the run-up to her glittering wedding to Harry in May 2018, which her father missed due to ill health and after he admitted posing for paparazzi pictures. In 2 days of hearings last month, her lawyer said printing the personal and sensitive letter was a triple-barreled assault on her private life, her family life and her correspondence and plainly breached her privacy. The paper argued the Duchess intended the letter's contents to become public and it formed part of a media strategy, pointing out she had admitted in court papers discussing it with her communications secretary. Meghan and Harry have waged a high-profile war against the media, blaming intrusion for their decision to quit royal life last year and move to the United States. But they have since attracted criticism for launching themselves into the public eye, with a series of lucrative deals with firms including Spotify, Netflix and Apple TV+, including Spotify.